Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a closer look at a classic Indian car that's been restored to its former glory, the 1960 Maruti 800, but with a twist, it's now a hybrid. First impressions count, and the Maruti 800 makes a nostalgic statement. Its retro design is a blast from the past, with a compact body, rounded lines, and a distinctive front grille. Inside, the Maruti 800 has been restored to its original charm, with a simple yet functional dashboard, vinyl seats, and a retro-style instrument cluster. Under the hood, the Maruti 800 has been fitted with a hybrid power plant, combining a small gasoline engine with an electric motor. This setup provides a boost in fuel efficiency and reduces emissions. While the Maruti 800 retains its classic charm, it's also been fitted with some modern tech features, including a digital instrument cluster, Bluetooth connectivity, and a USB charging port. So what sets the Maruti 800 apart from other classic cars? For starters, its hybrid power plant makes it a more sustainable option for enthusiasts. Additionally, its compact size and lightweight design make it a joy to drive in urban environments. On the road, the Maruti 800 is a blast to drive. Its lightweight design and agile handling make it perfect for navigating tight city streets. In conclusion, the 1960 Maruti 800 Hybrid is a unique blend of classic charm and modern sustainability. Its retro design, compact size, and hybrid power plant make it a must-have for enthusiasts and collectors alike.